Welcome to Sai Master Academy. Continuation of definite integration. Already we finished 24 problems in previous two videos. Now we are going to discuss long answers. Continuation 25 onwards. See, already I gave you properties. If you know properties well, and if you know where you can use the properties, we can solve the questions easily. Otherwise, definite integration really difficult. Limits there, na? We have to substitute finally limits. See, 0 to 1 by 2 x sine inverse x by root over 1 minus x square. If there is no limits, what you can do, the same process here you have to do. Substitution method. Sine inverse x derivation 1 by root over 1 minus x square, clear. So, solution, let sine inverse x is equal to t. Differentiation with respect to x. Sine inverse x derivation 1 by root over 1 minus x square into dx is equal to dt. Here you have 1 by root over 1 minus x square into dx will be dt. Sine inverse x is t. What about x? Sine inverse x t na, that's why what is x is equal to? Sin t. Inverse it vachesindi. Sin t. Now what about upper limit, lower limit? Upper limit. What is x value upper limit? 1 by 2. Then t is equal to, right here x is equal to 1 by 2. Or x is equal to 1 by 2. For which degree you will get 1 by 2? In sine 30 degrees. Sine 30, 1 by 2. And now lower limit x is equal to what? 0. Then t is equal to 0. Sine 0, 0. Right. Therefore, integral for lower limit 0, 0 na? Upper limit what? 30. That is nothing but what? Pi by 6. X means what? Sin t. Sin inverse x means what? T. T sin t. And dx what? Sorry, 1 by root over 1 minus x square dx what? Dt. Now by parts. What about by parts? Right, see, t sin t. This is algebra, this is trigonometry. Again go with by parts. This is f, this is g. I let a t. What is by parts formula? Oksaరి revise cheskundam. Integral f of x g of x dx is equal to f of x integral g of x minus integral f dash integral g of x dx. Now substitute here f of x t, g of x dx sin t dt minus integral f dash t derivation 1 integral g of x sin t dt whole dt. We will write limits later, which is equal to integral sin x minus cos x minus t cos t minus integral sin x minus cos x. Again malli integral cos x sin x minus into minus plus sin t. What are the limits? 0 to 30. Pi by 6 or 30. Now substitute limits. Minus pi by 6 and cos pi by 6 plus sin pi by 6 minus lower limit 0 na, cos 0 1, but 0 into something 0. Again this is 0, so no need to write lower limit, it is better leave like that. 0 t 0, 0 into something 0, sin 0 0, that's why I am not writing. For upper limit it is okay, exist, so which is equal to, what is cos 30? Root 3 by 2. So, root 3 by 2 into minus pi by 6 is there na? Minus root 3 pi by 6. Okay na? And plus what is sin 30? 1 by 2. So, which is equal to 1 by 2 minus root 3 pi by 6 to ja 12. Understand? So, this is the answer. Now, come to this side. Here, this is also very, very important long answer. 0 to pi by 4, this one value what? So here this is a unique question for this solution. Let sin x minus cos x is equal to t. Let what we are taking? Sin x minus cos x is equal to t. Differentiation with respect to x. What is sin x derivation? Cos x. Cos x derivation minus sin x, but minus into minus plus sin x into dx is equal to dt. Now sin x plus cos x dx dt vachesindi. What about denominator? Sin to x we need to find, and also limits we have to find. Okay. What I am doing this one SOBS, squaring on both sides. This is a minus b whole square. A square sin square x plus b square cos square x minus 2ab 2 sin x cos x is equal to t square, squaring on both sides. Sin square plus cos square 1 minus 2 sin x cos x. 2 sin x cos x will be sin 2x, sin 2 theta formula, which is equal to t square. Take t square this side, 1 minus t square sin 2x, that side, that is sin 2x. So what is the value of sin 2x in terms of t? 1 minus t square. What is sin x minus cos x? T. And what is cos x plus sin x into dx? dt. More limits we need to change kada? Upper limit. What is upper limit? X is equal to 45. Then t is equal to sin 45 1 by root 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 0, 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2, which is equal to 0. Now lower limit, what is x is equal to lower limit? 0. That implies t is equal to, right here, sin 0 0 minus cos 0 1, which is equal to minus 1. Now right here, which is equal to integral lower limit what? 0. For 0 what? Minus 1. Upper limit pi by 4 0, and sin x plus cos x into dx what? dt. By this is what? 9 plus 16 sin 2x what? 1 minus t square. What about dx? This is clearly dt. Any doubt here? Finish solution IPN, which is equal to integral minus 1 to 0 dt by 9 plus 16 1 just 16 minus 16 t square, which is integral minus 1 to 0 dt by 25 minus 16 t square, which is equal to integral minus 1 to 0 dt by taking 16 common 1 by 16 outside. This is 25 by 16 minus t square, a square minus x square formula, which is equal to 1 by 16 integral minus 1 to 0 dt by, this is 5 by 4 whole square minus t square, which is in the formula integral dx by a square minus x square, which is equal to 1 by 2a log mod a plus x by a minus x plus c. So which is equal to 1 by 16 into 1 by 2a. 2 into a means what? 5 by 4 log mod a plus x 5 by 4 plus t by a minus x 5 by 4 minus t. Limits what? Minus 1 to 0, which is equal to, here 4 1 ja 4 4 ja cancel, 4 2 ja 8 5 ja 40, 1 by 40 log mod. If you write 0 0 0 5 by 4 5 by 4, it will become what? Upper limit 1, upper limit 1. If you write 0 0 0 5 by 4 5 by 4 will get cancelled, so log 1 is left, upper limit minus lower limit. If you write minus 1, log of 5 by 4 minus 1, 5 by 4 minus 1, 5 by 4 minus into minus plus 1. Okay, any doubt? Which is equal to 1 by 40 log 1 is 0 minus, here if you do LCM, 5 minus 4 which is 1, 5 plus 4 which is 9, so log 1 by 9, denominator 4 will get cancelled, which is equal to 1 by 40 log, 1 by 40, 0 no need to write, minus log 1 by, we can write this is 3 square. Okay, can we write 3 square? Minus it should be eliminated. Log a square minus x square, a plus x by a minus x plus c, correct? Okay, no problem. Okay, see here, which is equal to 1 by 40 minus log of 1 by 3 square. Now this is taking numerator, it will become 3 power minus 2 together. Minus 2, this will be a multiple with logarithm, log x power n log x, which is equal to 1 by 40 minus 2 into minus log 3. This will be the multiple, right? Minus into minus plus. So final answer it will become, which is equal to minus into minus plus 2 by 40 log 3. 2 1 ja 2 20 ja. So final answer 1 by 20 log 3. Okay na? This is the solution, which is very very important, long answer. Okay, understand? Next, see, a sin x plus b cos x by sin x plus b cos x, let this is equal to I. Go with property, equation number 1. The property is integral a to b f of x dx, or 0 to a f of x dx also, no problem. Integral 0 to f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Okay, na? So which is equal to integral 0 to a means what? Pi by 2 a sine. Here directly we can write now. Why? Because sine pi by 2 minus x kada, 90 minus x, it will become cos x kada, and plus b it will become sin x. By this is cos x, this will be sin x, which is equation number 1, 2. This is also I na. Now 1 plus 2, I plus I, 2i is equal to 0 to pi by 2, same, right? And denominator also same, sin x plus cos x. Numerator will be different. What is that? A sin x plus b cos x plus a cos x plus b sin x into dx. So which is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2. We can take what? Sin x common. Then you will get what here? A plus b. Again we can take what common? Cos x common. Here b plus a, that is also a plus b, by sin x plus cos x into dx. Now we can take again a plus b common kada. That is 0 to pi by 2, a plus b common. Remaining what here? Sin x, here what? Cos x into dx by sin x plus cos x. So sin x plus cos x will get what? Cancel, which is equal to a plus b outside, which is constant, integral 0 to pi by 2 1 dx, which is equal to a plus b into 1 dx is nothing but x, 0 to pi by 2, which is equal to a plus b into upper limit pi by 2, lower limit 0, which is clearly 2i kada. We need I, so I is equal to pi by 2, it will become pi by 4 of a plus b. Understand? Just 2 this side came. 2 2 ja 4. Now here one more question. These two very similar questions, that's why I will give this one. I will give that as homework. A minus x whole power 2 if you have, you can expand. 3 you can expand. 4 you can expand. N we can't expand. We can't expand. And fractions also, a minus x whole power 1 by 3 we can't expand. 3 we can expand. A minus b whole cube, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 2 by 5, 6 by 6, 6 by 7, we can't expand. So if you have this type of questions which we can't expand, simply let a minus x is equal to t. Two terms converted as one term as t. Then differentiation with respect to x. A0 minus dx is equal to dt. Now from this find what is x. A minus t is equal to x minus t plus x. Now upper limit. What is x is equal to a? Then what is t is equal to a minus a, 0. Lower limit, x is equal to 0. Then what is t is equal to? T is equal to here 0 na? So a minus 0, a. Now substitute. Integral for lower limit what? A. For upper limit what? 0. And x what? A minus t. And this what? T. Power what? N. What is dx? Minus dt, which is minus outside. Okay na? Now 0 to a is okay, but a to 0 is negative. That's why minus is there na. If you apply minus, it will become 0 to a. Now plus. Okay na? Now a into t power n, a t power n, minus t into t power n into dt. Separate chain. 0 to a outside, t power n dt, minus integral 0 to a, t power 1, t power n, t power n plus 1 dt. Now x power n formula. This is t power n plus 1 by n plus 1, 0 to a, minus this is t power n plus 1 n plus 2 by n plus 2, 0 to a. Now apply limits. A into upper limit a na, a power n plus 1 by n plus 1 minus lower limit 0, no need to write. Minus this is a power n plus 2 by n plus 2 na, lower limit 0, no need to write. This is a power 1, a power n plus 1 will become a power n plus 2, right? A power 1, a power n plus 1, both are numerator, product in product, n plus 1 minus a power n plus 2 by n plus 2. Now I am taking a power n plus 2 common, so here remaining 1 by n plus 1, here remaining minus 1 by n plus 2. Now LCM, a power n plus 2 into LCM n plus 1 into n plus 2, and this will come this side, that is n plus 2 minus n minus 1. So here n cancel, 2 minus 1 will be 1. A power n plus 2 into 1 by n plus 1 into n plus 2. Okay, so this is the solution. This is the solution. Understand? What about this sir? This is also similar, Nana. 0 to 2 x into, this is 2 minus x whole power 1 by 2 dx. Root means 1 by 2. Again take this is t. Find x. Find upper limit, lower limit. Find differentiation. Substitute. You will get again same minus. Again interchange the limits. You will get the positive. And same process. It is easy comparing to this. Why? Because there you have number 2. Here you have a, n like that. Now come to more long answers continuation. 0 to pi x by 1 plus sin x, let I is equal to this equation number 1 by the property integral 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Okay na? So it will become what? 0 to a means pi, x means what? Pi minus x by 1 plus sin pi minus x into dx, which is equal to integral 0 to pi minus x by 1 plus sin 180 minus theta, again sin theta, sin x into dx, equation number 2. Now 1 plus 2, I plus I, 2i, integral 0 to pi is same, denominator also same, 1 plus sin x na? Same 1 plus sin x, 1 plus sin x. Numerators will be added, x plus pi minus x into dx, xx, which is pi outside, integral 0 to pi 1 by 1 plus sin x into dx. Here we have two methods. One is type 7, only denominator trigonometric ratio. One more methods, if you have 1, you can do rationalization also, Nana. 0 to pi 1 by 1 plus sin x into 1 minus sin x by 1 minus sin x into dx. If you have only 1 plus sin x or 1 plus cos x or 1 minus sin x or 1 minus cos x only. If you have 2 plus something, no rationalization, type 7. Okay, which is equal to pi integral 0 to pi only na? Yeah, pi integral 0 to pi 1 minus sin x by 1 plus sin x, 1 minus sin x, 1 minus sin square x. Why sir? A plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, which is equal to pi integral 0 to pi 1 minus sin x by 1 minus sin square x will be what? Cos square x dx. Now this by this, if you apply separately, what will happen? See, which is equal to pi integral 0 to pi 1 by cos square x will become secant square x dx. Pi is a multiple for all, minus integral 0 to pi sin x by cos square x will become what, you know? First take one cos x. Sin x by cos x what? Cos x tan x. Tan x. And more one denominator cos x left. 1 by cos x what? Secant x into dx, which is pi into integral secant square x what? Tan x minus integral tan x secant x what? Secant x. Secant x tan x secant x only. Limits what? 0 to pi. Now first substitute upper limit pi into tan 180. What is tan 180? Tan 180. Yeah, junior's time. Tan 180, tan 180, sin 180, tan 180 same 0. 90 plus 90 na? Got 90. So tan 180 what? 0 minus secant 180. What about secant 180? Secant 180. Secant 90 plus 90 kada? 90 plus which quadrant? Second quadrant. Second quadrant secant negative. Again secant 90 plus will become cosecant. Secant 90 plus 90 kada? 90 plus it will become cosecant, but 90 plus means second quadrant means minus. Cosecant 90 means, what is the value of cosecant 90? 1 by sin 90. Sin 90? 1. 1 by 1? 1. So minus 1. So minus into minus? Plus 1. This is upper limit. Minus lower limit. 0. Tan 0? 0. Minus secant 0? 1. Secant 0, 1 by cos 0. Cos 0, 1. 1 by 1, 1. So which is equal to pi into this is 1 minus into minus plus 1 which is equal to 2 pi. Already LHS what? 2i. LHS what? 2i. 2 I is equal to pi. Understand? Yes, sir. Always yes, but no output. See one more question. 0 to pi x sine cube x by 1 plus cos square x dx. Same process by property. Same expansion. How many questions more? 1, 2. Okay. So we'll discuss from here onwards more 4 questions. Total 5 questions in next video. Okay. Thank you. Share to maximum.